Hello everybody, today I've been given the pleasure to unbox the new Hydrofast household reverse Osmosis system countertop water filter. So immediately just judging off the packaging, it even came in a whole nother box before this. But anyways, let's just get into the good stuff. So right here it immediately says great taste with RO purification. So I do want to mention, if you've ever drank possibly the best water in the world, alkaline water, it tastes very similar to that, maybe even a bit sweeter, and it's very good for your body. Convenient smart display, a cold temperature control, I believe going up to 10 degrees. Also adjustable water volume options, and a portable and installation free. So it's not that heavy as well, which is amazing. Same thing on the back right here, it's the same exact information. But anyways, I'm just going to excuse myself really quick, take everything out the box, and let's get straight into the actual unboxing. Alright everybody, so now that I've cleared up my table and you can actually see the Hydrofast itself a little bit before we actually get into it. This of course has a 6-stage filter process where it reduces TDS, which is amazing as well. And then as well, the actual filter has a remineralization layer that remineralizes the tap water that you place into the machine right over here. I believe you could put up to what, 4 liters of water. I'm not too sure, but we're definitely going to have to check that out. I will be conveying a kitchen scene where I'm just going to show you guys how it works, how this because of its size, it's so simple to just simply place anywhere. Place it in your living room, in your bedroom, you can place it into your kitchen, wherever you want, because of its incredible size, which is beautiful. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the actual product. At the start of the video, that it can go up to 10 degrees Celsius, giving you very cool and cold water, and keeping it constantly fresh, which is amazing. But anyways, yeah. So we are given 3 different things that comes in the packaging. We are given the different indicators so you can just learn. Feel free to screenshot this and take a look at it yourself. But yeah, it just says that what all these buttons do. One can set the volume, how to flush the water after filter rinsing. You can make it cold, stop the water from dispensing. If you see some of these icons, it will tell you that there's a lack of water, etc. And then this is just a simple user manual, all the boring stuff, there's no need, I'm going to show you everything here. And then finally, the installation and activation, which I will also be showing. And it all starts with taking, this is where the water or your cup would be going. You would just simply install it right in here. And then you could just imagine, you place your cup right over here, boop, it dispenses right within this thing right over here. And yeah, and then we have all the different types of information right here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You will also have your touch screen, which we will be using. This is how you can select and choose everything. And of course, this is connected with a cable right over here. Just simply connect this to the electricity. You are also given, this is how you can check your water. This is how you place the water. Let me just pop this out. This is how you can place your water right within here. This is where all your water will be going. I believe it goes up to 4 liters, and they're giving you a warning to empty out the water if it goes below this level. It gives you a max and a minimum right over here. But as you can see it right over here, very clear as well. And then here's just all the components at the bottom. Everything is just easily able to be placed back just like this, and can easily be placed or dispensed, which is beautiful. And then of course you could take this off just to take any water that's stuck in here. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the Hydrofast. Regardless, now we are going to be heading into the kitchen, giving a small 10 to 20 second scenario of how you can be using this. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have everything set up on the table now. Right over here is where you'll be placing your water. You have your max and minimum. It goes up to 4 liters. And inside there is where the filtration will be. Right above here is where you'll be changing your filter as well. You can just simply unscrew this. Well, because it's on right now, I don't want to touch anything. And then right here is the entire online thing. Right over here tells you that everything is working fine. Anything less than this, then you should be changing your filter. You have all your degrees right over here. This is how you set the volume of your water, and you could increase it or lower it depending on millimeters. As well, this shows you the current Celsius of the drink. This is how it will be. It will be 25 Celsius if I use it right now. And this is the cold. It's set to the lowest setting of 10 Celsius. This indicates the water level. And by simply clicking this right over here, you will see the water dispensed. And whenever you are fine, you just click it again and the water will be dispensed just like that. Now that we have showcased the kitchen scene and I've talked about most of the features, I believe some that we are missing is the 4-stage speed quantum thing, where pretty much you can control how much water you want to go down. I'm pretty sure there's also the fact that the smart display is so convenient, the adjustable water tank that you can move or remove and just place it wherever you want. And then it has a 3-in-1 ratio, the water waste, and just how convenient the actual product is and how it can be placed anywhere. The dimensions are right over here in millimeters. Nothing else. I don't know why you wouldn't purchase this. I highly recommend it. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and that is it for the Hydrofast Reverse Osmosis Water Purifier. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all have a phenomenal day. Thank you.